Hello everyone. Let us understand about the situation where we have to rank based upon multiple columns. Here what I shall do is, here I'll take a table. Here I'm taking a table visual. Okay. And here I'll add columns such as brand from sales table, and I'll add distributor from sales table, and I have made a measure which is total sales. Okay, what I'll do is I'll go to the measure table, I'll bring in the measure of total sales. So these are the three columns which I have brought in. Here you could see that I have particular brand and there are respective distributors. I have Apple brand over here, I have respective distributors over here, and these are the respective sales. Okay, and similarly we have different brand and the distributors and their total sales. So based upon multiple columns, how could I bring the rank? We shall create a measure. I'll select the measure table and I'll create a new measure. So here I would write the measure name as some rank value equal to, here I'll write rank x, and in the first parameter I would require to write the table name. So instead of writing table name, what I'll do is I'll use the function called cross join in order to cross join two tables. In the cross join, first table would be my column name of brand, where I'll remove the filters using all function. Okay, I'll use all and I'll use brand column. I'll close the parenthesis, put a comma. In the second parameter, I'll use all and I'll use distributor column. Okay, I'll close this cross join, which is our table parameter. I'll put a comma. In the expression, I would provide total sales, which is my sum of sales. Okay, and in the value, this value, if it is any particular value, you could write, otherwise you could skip it. And the order by expression, it is I want the total sales in descending order to be ranked. I'll write descending order. And if there are ties, you could either skip it or you could choose the dense rank. Here I'll choose the dense rank, where it shows the continuous ranks. Okay, this is the measure which I have written, where it could help us rank based upon the categories which are taken into consideration. Here I'll just commit. Okay, let us go back to the table and understand whether it is providing us the appropriate results or not. Here I'll add data. I'll choose the measure to bring into the table rank value. Here you could see that our rank is working. In order to sort it out, in order to see properly, just select the total sales and double click on the column name. Here you would see that its order will be changed from 1 to respective ranking. Okay, if you want in descending order or ascending order, you could sort the total sales. Here what I have done is the maximum sales I am taking, considering it as rank 1. So LG is the brand, distributor Totas is the distributor, where I have the rank 1, and respectively I have other ranks based upon the brand and distributor, right? So this is how we solve the ranking of multiple columns. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.